Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis for British Pound US Dollar and Euro US Dollar currency pairs. As usual, we'll start from weekly time frame, then to the daily time frame, and then to the hourly time frame, where we'll do the detailed technical analysis of the past week price action and then mark the trading ranges for next week. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. First, we'll start with British Pound US Dollar. So we already know that previously the British Pound US Dollar currency pair was on a downtrend. It has started its downtrend from here. It tried to break this resistance over here. It couldn't break it. It has broken the resistance at this point. It has gone up and found resistance on the previous resistance point, and now it is in a very nice downtrend. It is testing the first support level, which is around 1.34. This was a previous resistance. Now it is acting as a present support. If it manages to break this support level, we can expect a further fall and test this next level of support. At this point, we have the dynamic support also running over here. So I'm expecting if it comes still further to this level, we can expect a bounce back to happen, retest on the resistance level over here. But presently, it is trying to break this level. So let us see if it manages to break this level. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. In daily time frame also, the present price action is moving in a very nice bearish channel pattern, and within the bearish channel pattern you can notice price is moving up, retracing, again moved up, retraced, again moved up. Presently also it retraced to the bottommost level. Again it is on a uptrend, and during this retracement also you can notice that every time it retraces little lower than the previous low. Currently it looks like it has taken support over here and it is in a uptrend. I'm expecting it to at least to retrace up to this level, which is around 1.355, and then continue its downtrend. So overall the price action is on the bearish side. This black line or central line of the channel pattern will be acting as a resistance for now. If it manages to break this resistance, we can expect the current price action to go on the upper side and test on the resistance of this channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. Here I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame also we can notice that it has taken support over here and gone on uptrend, again retraced much lower than the previous low. Again it is on a uptrend, and when we draw the support line, we can clearly notice that it is on a very nice retracement or on a uptrend. I am expecting this central line to act as a resistance. Only if it manages to break the resistance area, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend. Otherwise, we can expect the trend to take resistance over here and trend reversal to happen and test this bottommost support level again. If it breaks this support level, we can expect a further trend down and test this bottommost support level again. This is from the weekly time frame support line. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. This is going to be the next level of support. Presently this is acting as a support. This is the present resistance. This will be the next resistance. This is going to be the next level of resistance. If it still manages to go on the uptrend, we can find the next resistance to be at this point, and then finally this level is going to be the next level of resistance. This is outside of the channel pattern, but if it makes little bit of wicks and all, you can find it to test this level also. But overall trend is on the downside. Let's do the analysis in Euro USD. I'm in weekly time frame of Euro USD, and here also it has moved in a downtrend and it has given a breakout at this point. After the breakout, it has found a resistance at this level and it has formed a very nice double top pattern, and currently it is on a retracement to test this bottommost support and the dynamic support from the weekly time frame. It is on a downtrend from the view of the weekly time frame. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. So I'm in daily time frame now. In daily time frame also, when we look at the price action, very nicely taken resistance over here. Then a downtrend has started and presently it is at the support line of the channel pattern. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is in a very strong bearish trend. I'm expecting it to take support over here and again go back and test this resistance level over here, again continue its downtrend. So as long as the downtrend is still there, we can expect a further fall to continue. So overall in daily time frame also, the present price action of Euro USD currency pair is on a bearish side. I am expecting the bearish trend to continue. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, you can notice that the current price action has taken support on the daily time frame channel pattern and it is trying to break this support level. Next level of support is going to be at this point over here, which is a red color line, support line from the weekly time frame, and if it manages to break this level, we can expect a further fall and test this bottommost support level, which is around 1.09. In all the time frame, we can notice that downtrend is very strong. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. This is going to be the uppermost resistance. Next resistance is going to be here. Next resistance is going to be here. And presently it is facing this resistance. Presently it is in a current support. Next support is going to be at this point over here. If it falls further, we can expect it to stop at this support level over here. And if it further falls, we can expect it to test this level over here. So mark these ranges in your chart also. Plan your entry and exit trades based on the price action. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.